Masechaba on split from hubby. Sometimes, the best thing to do is the hardest. TV and Metro FM radio personality Masechaba Ndlovu has separated from her estranged hubby Vusi, calling it one of the hardest decisions she has ever had to make. The star made the announcement to fans in a social media post late on Wednesday evening. "I've taken the very painful decision of separating from my husband, the love of my life, the man of my dreams. My ride or die," she wrote, before explaining that, "Sometimes in life, the best thing you can do is the hardest thing you've ever done." Masechaba has kept some of the pictures she posted with Vusi on her social media accounts and claimed the pair would continue to remain friends and fantastic parents to their children. Masechaba then shared a few nuggets of wisdom about relationships, encouraging those who feel like they are running on empty to not stay in a relationship that no longer serves them. So many people remain in relationships that no longer serve them because they are afraid of what people are going to say. Afraid of what it's going to do to the kids. Often, people keep up pretenses because of the fear to be seen as failures or to lose credibility. We forget that the best gift you can give to the world and yourself is your happiness. Your truth. She ended her message by saying that the only people who would be upset with those speaking their truth are those living a lie.